Hello, teacher and classmate. My name is Tony Pelay. I am 35 years old. I am from La Guajira, but I currently live Fonseca with my wife and my two children. I am welder and I am studying industrial engineer at the UNAC. I am free time like to read and favorite hobby is playing on the PC. My favorite food is hamburger. My favorite TV show, uh, The Good Doctor. My favorite sport is soccer. Okay. This is my room. This is my room where the study where there is mirror. Uh, there is a window. There, there is chair. Uh, there is a computer. There is a coffee. Okay, thank you.